This guy is a chiropractor for animals. Have a look at some of their reactions. Let me know which one's your favorite.
Okay, ist gut. Okay. Alles gut. Okay, gut. Ja. Alles gut. Alles gut. Hat weh?